Hi guys, it's Nancy and it's Monday, so it must be Management Monday. I thought I'd stop in. Usually I do this in the morning, but it's the evening. It's one of those days today. So, how are we managing our business? Management Monday. Remember, if you're not managing your business, it's going to manage you. So, with all that we have going on with COVID-19, and a lot of us are at home, salespeople, non essential people. So, what are you doing so that when we're back to work, and we will be back to work soon, when we're back to work, what are you doing to improve your business, to take your business to the next level? Have you done any of those projects that you always say, oh my gosh, I don't have any time to do that. I don't have any time to do that. I'm running with clients back and forth. So are you doing those things now? Like, for example, I have 59,793 emails in my inbox. Yes. And it's a daunting task every day to find emails. I literally have to check for the client's name that I'm working with to find the emails. So what I'm doing while I'm at home right now, staying at home to keep the curve, bring the curve down, flatten the curve. I'm staying home. So I am actually working on deleting, putting in folders, and getting rid of 59,000 emails in my inbox. I'm hoping that it'll take me a week, no more than a week, to get that done because I literally have to open every email. There are those few that you can tell right away it's junk, but I literally have to open every email. So the question is, what are you doing to manage your business so that when we go back to work, you'll be right in there to make your money and be a smooth transition? What are you transition? What are you doing to manage your business today? See you next time.